Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share my creation for hashtag Deck the Year, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creations. And I'll have her link down below, and I'll have the hashtag in my title so you can go check out everybody's creations this week. So this week is week 2 of this open collaboration. Penny has opened it up to many other items to alter or create. You can use a greeting card, you can use a Memdex card or a Rolodex card, or even a recipe card. You can use not only the time cards and the playing cards and the Uno cards and the index cards and the flashcards, all those are included. So it's just a vast array of things you can create with, right? So I'm keeping mine simple this year. I think I've already mentioned that in my last video, that I'm keeping it down to 2. I think last year I did playing cards and index cards and time card. I was like, I mean, I liked it. It was fun. But I'm going to keep it simple this year. I'm only going to do playing cards, which I have it here in my container. So I use this container every year, and I put all my creations in this container. And it's a Dollar Tree container. You can get it. I think during, I think it's back to school. They have these nice containers. So this is week 1 for Deck the Year. And then today I'm doing a memory decks card that I used, and I die cut it out of my Heidi Swap dies. And I used some packaging and some regular cardstock, and this is what I created. Isn't it adorable? So what I used paper from my stash. This is a stamp set from Penny Black. It is Snowman Hugs, and I just love this set. I wanted to create something with this stamp. And then these came from Lily of the Valley stamps that I've had in my stash for a long time. I think ever since Jill Norwood shared these on her channel, I immediately ordered because I had a feeling I was going to use them. And I've used them over the years. As you can tell, they're stained, but they are still good. And then this is my newest, I think. It's this one or the Hearts one. So this is an autumn set that I purchased. So these came like this, because when you open it up, it has, and I've already used these, they have a cover, like all stamps do, right? So what I did was I laminated them and added them to a cardstock. And then the lamination is where all these stamps are sticking on. So it's just a really good way of storing multiple stamps. I don't know if I would do this again. I mean, I do like them because these are 2 sets. I think this is the holiday set, and this is like every day. This one has love, fun, play, hugs, party, dream, birthday, Happy Times, Just Because, so cute. So these are two different sets. This is one, this is another. And then here's the other one. This is the other one. So you can tell that this would fit on an 8.5 by 11 sheet of cardstock. So anyway, I stamped her out on a Memento Black ink. I colored her with my Copics. I added some white gel pen to her cheeks, and to his cheeks. I even went around it with a blue pen, and I think these are the two colors that I used. And I am not a colorist at heart. I mean, I'm a colorist at heart, to my own. And I love how it turned out. She's so cute, and she's walking in snow. So this is like snow background. So it was like a light green. It's an untraditional colors, and I just love that. And this came from a Michael's ephemera pack that I bought several years ago. This is like good quality chipboard. Well, it's not really chipboard, it's just good quality ephemera, and it was a sticker. And if you buy their ephemera packs now, they're not as good. And I hate to say that, but the quality has gone down a lot. So here are the two stamps that I used, Let It Snow and Snowflakes. I added a brad so I could, fan it out. These two tags. I fussy cut them too, and I colored them. Added a little of, I think this is what, Winka Stella? Yeah, Winka Stella clear. And I even added it to her white parts of her hat and her shirt. Added some trim from Walmart. Added some pearls to this, and then some pom-pom. And I kept the area where you would put it in a memory dex. And yeah, I just love how this turned out. It's adorable. So it is for week 2 for January 8th. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.